Hi guys, I'm Luna, and as you could tell by the title of this video, I'm doing a doll haul video. And the reasoning behind this video is, well, I'm going to show you dolls that I have recently got within the past few months. And I've recently gotten into doll collecting because I just miss having dolls. They were always a very important part of my life, very nostalgic. I was always playing with them, and Monster High especially holds a very special place in my heart. It just means a lot to me. It's also one of the doll lines that made me be more creative and artistic and made me want to draw more. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys the 3 dolls. I'm going to show you guys 4 dolls that I got from 3 doll lines. And I wanted to say that oh god, I had a list to go on, dude, sorry. I am collecting Bratz, Monster High, and Pullips. I'm collecting Bratz as well because they are very nostalgic to me. And I'm collecting Pullips because I just love their proportions. I think they're really super cute. I love their big heads and little bodies, and I love their little eye mechanics. It's just really adorable. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, and I'm gonna stop talking and show you. So yeah. So the first doll that I'm gonna show you is the Pullip. This is Wilhelmina. She's super adorable. And I got this doll for the reason because of her style. She's a witch, gotta put her hat on. She's super cute. She has a black and red color scheme. Let me take this off. Sorry guys, the lighting is really shitty. So sorry about that. And she has really pretty green eyes. And I love that her eyes can turn, if I could do that, yeah. And she can wink, super cute, like, hey. And I really love too that she has two-tone hair. She has like a pinkish red and a chestnut brown. And I really love her style, very gothic. That's what I love about Pulips. They have like cutesy ones, and then they have like the gothic ones. So I definitely want to collect more of, I want to collect both styles. I know for my next one I want to get Kuromi. But yeah, onto the doll. Yeah, I just love how detailed these dolls are. Super pretty, and the dress is so long and detailed. There's lots of lace on it. You can't tell because the lighting is trash. But yeah, just take my word for it that this doll is very worth the money because Pullip dolls are quite expensive. She was $150. I got her on Amazon. So yeah, but I mean, she's so worth it. I mean, it's such a highly detailed doll. They put a lot of time into it. So yeah. As you can also tell, I have left her wrapped in this plastic on her arms and on her legs because unfortunately with the black dye, it will seep into their skin. It'll stain their skin. So I'm just going to try to preserve her as much as I can and keep the plastic on because I do not want that to happen, and it's going to ruin an expensive doll, and we don't want that to happen. So yeah. Do I look like, oh my god, I still have it. Ew, sorry. Yeah. Okay. I think I said everything I wanted to say about her. I got her on Amazon for $150, and she's totally worth it, and you should get her. And also, she comes with a cute little witch's broom. Super adorable. And yeah, I just really love her. Super detailed. Love the chains too. Okay, shut up, me. Next doll that I want to show you is Monster High, and it is Sweet Scream's Draculaura. And so about me, I really love my 2 favorite characters from Monster High. I mean, my first favorite one is Draculaura because she is like everything, and then my second favorite is Frankie. So I definitely want to collect Frankie and Draculaura dolls for my Monster High collection. I have other dolls, but since I'm getting back into collecting, these 2 are the ones that I want to collect. So first off is Sweet Screams. What the hell? I just dropped something. is Sweet Screams Draculara, and I love this line so much because, I mean, it's just so adorable. It's creepy, cute candy. I mean, come on. And it's just so detailed. She's got this licorice in her hair, a licorice bow. She has little hearts in her eyes. Can you tell? Probably not. um, and she has like what's it called? Molded. I really like this. She has like molded arms, licorice everywhere, and I love this vinyl dripping over here and on her skirt, and it's like she's stepping in gum. She's just so detailed. I love this doll, and she also came with her licorice bag and her little storybook and her little Count Fabulous as a little gummy guy, little gum thing. And yeah, the Sweet Screams line is definitely a must-have if you're a Monster High collector because it's just so unique, and I definitely recommend buying it. I actually got her on Mercari, and I definitely recommend going on Mercari if you want to buy dolls because you can get them for really good deals. And I got her, I wanted to originally get her in the box, but I couldn't. So I got her out of the box, and she was like $60, and she came in amazing condition with everything. So I really recommend Mercari to get dolls. Yeah. And so, oh my goodness, I still have lipstick on my teeth. I'm a mess. A beautiful one. Anyway, so my next two dolls that I want to show you is, okay, from Bratz. So I got two Chloe dolls. And what I wanted to say to you about the Bratz is that I love Bratz, and my two favorite characters are Chloe and Jade. So I definitely want to collect those two for my collection. And I just got into collecting Bratz like, what was it, like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago. So I'm just starting, and I'm really excited. So yeah. So my first doll is Volante Chloe, and I really, really, really love this doll for lots of reasons. First off, love her face because it is a copy of the first edition Chloe's face screening, and I just love that face screening. It just looks so pretty. And then I love her outfits in this. I love that she has these little cute pink and blue star clips, and she's wearing a kind of like a satiny material pants, a sparkly top, and she has like a little flower choker, which is super cute, and she's wearing little pink chunky sandals. And then I love her second outfit so much for these boots and the bag, but the boots are just so cute. Oh my god, I love them so much. I love the aesthetic that the dolls had in the early like 2000s because of like the chunky feet. It's just so cute. Love it. Yeah, I just really love this doll, and I got her also off of Amazon. I think I got her for, I probably paid too much for her, so I'm not gonna say, but yeah. Yeah, I'm just really happy that I have her. She's so pretty, and I'm just really happy that I have her in my collection. And unfortunately though, her box is a little loose because I guess the previous owner I guess removed it so they could like display it, but she's still intact, like she's still attached to the back of the box. So yeah, and then this is the back of the box that has the old Chloe art, just super iconic. I mean, come on, it's Bratz. And yeah, all the other girls, I really want to get Jade though. I really want to get Express It Jade and Wintertime Wonderland Jade for my Jade dolls, and also the first editions of Chloe and Jade, which I'm gonna have to look on Mercari for because that shit's expensive. But anyways, on to the next doll and the final one. Oh shit, her fucking thing fell out. God damn it. The last doll is Tokyo Go Go Chloe. Iconic. I mean, seriously. I love this line so much. Definitely a must-have to have in your Bratz collection because, I mean, it's iconic. I'm just saying the same words over and over again, but I mean, come on. It's such a good doll. Love this doll for many reasons. One, because the style is very accurate to the style of the time in Tokyo, the Tokyo streetwear fashion. And she comes with so many accessories. She comes with a top, a skirt. She comes with, can you guys see? Can you guys see? Probably not. 2 pairs of shoes. She comes with a bag. God. Comes with a bag with a little robot bunny in there. Then she comes with a bunny keychain. Then she has her Walkman, and she has a CD and a little suitcase with stickers you could put on them. And she's wearing a bandana. Super cute. I love it. She has her card which fell. It's just like a holographic version of this. And I love this doll because of the fashion, because it's Tokyo themed, and because of her eyes, because they are anime eyes. She has like little, hold on. I love her eyes because she has those little sparkles in her eyes. Super freaking cute. I love it. And she also has red and orange in her hair, and she has like little braids in her hair, little micro braids, which is just super fucking cute. And in the back, love this art. So iconic. And all the other dolls are in the back. So yeah, I'm like really happy with this purchase because this doll is definitely a must-have to have in your collection for Bratz, and I look forward to collecting more. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my little doll haul. Hopefully I wasn't too annoying with saying the same words over and over again. This is my first video, so bear with me please. But yeah, I hope you liked it, and there's definitely gonna be more on the way. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions or whatever, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.